Hi, thank you so much for your comment. So okay, there's multiple ways to wear a sarong when you dance, and we call it pareo in Tahitian dance. The way I personally like it is to have a small lava that will be just the length you want and the size you like, and just tie it. That's the way I prefer. I think it's more simple. I think it's easier. And then I will just fold it a bit here just to equalize, to make it even both sides. So you don't want the sarong to be tight on you, like I don't know. So you don't want it to be high up like this when you dance. Okay, you want it to be low, but you don't want it to be tight like this. So I fold it here just so that it's loose this side, because this side will be loose either way. Yeah, so you can tie both this side or this side depending on what you're comfortable with. I prefer tying it here, which is my left, but some people tie it there. It just depends. Usually will also depend of the way you turn. So I turn clockwise, and I like to tie my lava this side. Usually when people tie it here, they dance my opposite side, but it just depends of the person. Everyone is different, but that's the first way. Then there's two other ways I do it personally in my videos. Now other people have other ways, but that's my ways. So the other ways, we use this big lava, a normal size lava. Actually, the one I have is just half of it, like this. And then do it well. I'll just try to be fast. And then same here, I just fold it here. Okay, to take it like this, and this time the part of the front will be longer, except if your lava is your right size, that's all right. I tied it here a bit higher than the other ones, and I will just roll and roll. I won't do it all the way through. I'll just show you quickly, and I push it down. Okay, so you can roll it more for it to be shorter, but that's how it looks at the top. Just make sure everything is do it in front of a mirror, just to make sure everything is right and comfortable and the same length. And that's another way to do it, a secure way, like fold your lava over and then roll it. I do that sometimes, but as I say, it's not as secure as the other way I did it, but I will show you anyways. I feel it's easier to roll that one up. The key is to put your lava low, make it tight enough, and even all around, and that's how you tie the lava. And then we can dance with it. And yeah, I hope that the video helps. And if you have any other question, feel free to ask.